Good morning, sun. The day has begun. Fresh air is good for us. Fold the blanket neat and tidy. Brush, 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 and smile. 1, 2, 3, clean face for me. Why do we move in the morning? To wake up our strong bodies. Hat on, ready to go. Boots for work, boots for play. Good morning, Mom and Dad.
Have a wonderful day, sweetie. We love you.
Yummy breakfast gives us energy. Drink the milk, grow up strong. I can help clean up. Tools for the horses. Treats for Luna, sweet and crunch. Hop on, let's go. Safety first. Sit down, please. Look at the birds flying high. What color are the leaves? Green leaves and brown trunks. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Run, 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 having fun. Do you hear the clip-clop? We are riding to the farm today. Hold on tight on the bridge. I hear a horse neighing. Hello, Luna. Hello, foal. We are here. Step down slowly. Sweep, sweep, make it clean. Working together is a dream. Look how soft his fur is getting. I know. I think the pony wants a turn. We make a great team, Mia. I dropped it. Here you go, let me help. Why do we clean the stable? To keep the horses healthy.
Scrub the trough, scrub it bright. Bright.
Fresh water for thirsty horses. Don't waste water. Turn it off. What do horses eat? They love hay and oats. Good food makes them strong. We did it! Good job! Time to feed, time to feed. Here is some yummy grass.
One, two, three, and 3 horses.
Munch, munch, happy horse song. Long. How many horses are there? Huh? 1, 2, 3 Clydesdale horses. Correct. 3 happy horses. Let them rest and drink. Soft and smooth man. I love animals. Saddle goes on the back. We must wear a helmet. Why do we wear helmets? To protect our heads. Walk slowly, little pony. Trot, trot, round we go. Go. Look at their hooves move. Walking is slow, running is fast. Luna is big, Foal is small.
The need for rest is universal. These horses know that a peaceful break is essential for well-being.
Sleepy horse, time to rest. Stay safe near horses. Go, exercise, everyone. Time to pack up. One, two, three brushes. This box has many brushes. Don't leave anything behind. Heavy things go low. It is safe now. Goodbye, Luna. See you soon. Sun is going down, going home. We learned to brush horses. And we counted 3 Shetland pony horses. That was fun!
See, the more you learn, the brighter the magic becomes.
Wow, what does this page say, Mom?
It says you're both ready.
Goodbye. Have a safe trip.
Don't be a stranger now.
We saw the baby foal! We worked hard today. Wash away the dirt, clean hands. Put things in their place. I am ready to eat. เพราะข้าจะเล่าโป๊กควายโป๊กวอด Family time is the best. Horses are so fast and strong. We must take good care of them. Wow, like nice.